If you want to play basketball, you play by the basketball rules. If you want to play football, you play by the football rules. Now in basketball, don't go and kick the ball, okay? And in football, I'm talking of Messi's football, don't take the ball by hand, except the goalkeeper. See, the thing is that what is the game you are playing? Play by the rules. So the modern medical world, the healthcare, they want randomized controlled trials, preferably what is called double blind, where the participant doesn't know whether they are in the control group or the study group. Researcher doesn't know if the person is in study group or control group. It's called double blind. Blind leading the blind, basically. Okay, now that randomized controlled trial model was devised for drugs to check out painkillers. Which painkiller works better? Does a painkiller work better than B, and is A really working, or is it just a placebo effect? Placebo means you give something that looks like the drug but is not the active ingredient, and so this model was developed for pharmaceutical research. But that is the only model that was being accepted primarily till recently. Hence, in order to go through a randomized controlled trial, we have had to develop these structured protocols and try to have one size fits all. But as you are aware in your study itself, though we have done a standard protocol, we got it validated by different experts, we have also now taken the Prakriti analysis. And we are looking how the same protocol has differential effect in different Prakriti who have the same lower back pain. So the protocol is the same, the patient group is the same, but their Prakriti, individualization is different, and we are starting to see in your own study how somebody who has a Vata Prakriti responds differently to that protocol as opposed to a Kapha Prakriti. We are already starting to document, and this may be the first time that is being documented. So we need to document it, that there is individualized distinction. Then comes the next part. To take care of individualized distinctiveness, we need to have individualized protocols. Now, how do you study that? You cannot do randomization. It cannot be control group. It will have to be case series. So it will start to become case series, where you take 20 people, 30 people who have back pain. All of them are individualized. The protocol is individualized and all. And the impact of individualized protocols in people who have back pain, overall what happens in your case series. That will start to become a new dimension in yoga research. So as of now, we are doing randomization, we are doing structured protocols to play the game of modern research studies, because without that you cannot get published. If you don't get published, your work is not going to have the impact it needs. People are not going to hear about it. And that is why Nagaratna Didi said, play the game for some time, and then after that you will have established your reputation, where then you can go out of the box and people will accept what you start to report. But as a new researcher, if you start off saying, I'm going to give a new protocol for X, another protocol for Y, nobody is going to even publish your paper. Publish, go through that, and once you have shown that you are good at their game, start to change the rules of the game. Start to go on to your own dimension, and then you can have that impact. Today I can talk about this in the world of medicine. I can stand up on a stage and talk about it because yes, I have played the game. I have shown that even while playing the game, there is some impact. But now I want to say that stop playing the game and going beyond it. That is where you will start to have the change that yoga can truly provide.